Here's a clear summary of an event-driven microservice built with Spring Boot. Spring Boot Event-Driven Microservice Summary. An event-driven microservice in Spring Boot is a service that reacts to events, messages, instead of direct synchronous API calls. This architecture improves scalability, resilience, and decoupling among services. Key concepts. 1. Event Producer, a service that publishes events when something happens, e.g., order placed, payment completed. Uses Spring Boot with Spring Cloud Stream or Spring Kafka to publish messages to a broker. 2. Event Broker, middleware that transports events between producers and consumers. Common choices: Apache Kafka, RabbitMQ, or cloud-based brokers. AWS SNSQS, GCP PubSub. 3. Event Consumer, a service that listens for events and reacts accordingly. Example, an inventory service consumes order-placed events to reduce stock. 4. Event Payload. Events are usually JSON objects containing event type, timestamp, and business data. Spring Boot implementation. Spring Cloud Stream abstracts messaging, Kafka, RabbitMQ with simple @enable binding or functional style bean bindings. Kafka integration. With Spring Kafka, services use @Kafka listener to consume and Kafka template to produce events. Event model. Define POJOs for events and use Jackson for serialization, deserialization. Benefits. Loose coupling. Producers don't need to know who consumes the event. Scalability. Multiple consumers can process the same event independently. Resilience. Failures in one service don't block others, async processing. Flexibility. Easy to extend by adding new consumers without changing producers. Typical use case. E-commerce system. Order service publishes order-placed event. Payment service consumes it, processes payment, and publishes payment completed. Shipping service consumes payment completed to arrange delivery. In short, a Spring Boot event-driven microservice publishes and consumes messages via a broker, like Kafka, to build asynchronous, decoupled, and scalable distributed systems. Would you like me to also create a small Spring Boot Kafka code example, producer plus consumer, so you can use it in interviews or projects?